today's what?
Load shedding, because the electricity is problem. That's why it's load shedding.
I see. So the electricity is not good today?
No.
Okay. Don't worry. That's okay because we can see each other now. Now, can you tell me your name again?
Yes, Aarohi.
Aarohi, lovely to meet you. My name is Andrea. And how old are you, Aarohi?
6.
6 years old. Amazing. That is a fantastic age. Okay. And what have you been doing today?
I have been doing today is metal. What is it made of?
Okay. So did you say you've been doing work?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Very good. So today's lesson, materials. What is it made of? Are you ready to start the lesson?
Sammy smells something cooked. It smells good. He wants to try it.
Wow, Aarohi, you were right. He is hungry. How did you know? Fantastic. I didn't know he was hungry. Good job. Okay, let's see the next slide.
The boy drinks water from a glass. This bottle is made of plastic.
Very good.
Okay. The boy is making a chair with wood.
Wood, good. Okay, and this one?
This one. Wool is made of sheep hair.
Okay, wool from sheep hair. Very good reading, Aarohi. Excellent.
Like sheep hair is like that's coloring. This table made of wood.
Good. This table is made of wood.
Wood, yes.
Good.
This box is made of cardboard.
Excellent.
This is glue. This is glass. This is plastic. And wool, this one. And wood, this one.
So, Aarohi, are you sure it's wool? Good.
I am so sorry.
No, you don't need to apologize. That's fine. We make mistakes, and that's why you're here, so we can learn new things, okay? Very good. You're doing fantastic.
Perfect. Thank you. This is for you. What animal do you see?
What animal do you see?
Tortoise. Coloring tortoise.
Good. That's clue number 1.
It is called mola. It is half kind of crab made in our country. You see tools in a pattern.
Okay, so it is a kind of
crab
made in our country.
Our country uses tools in this
pattern. Very good reading. Lovely. Okay, can you fill in the blanks, please, Aarohi?
The pencil is made of wood. Yes.
Good.
The sweater is made of wool.
Wool, good.
The door is made of
Good.
The ball is made of wood. The toy made of wood.
So the toy is made of.
Made of
Which one do you
plastic.
think? Plastic. Yes, very good. Okay.
Fantastic! Thank you. Here, take this. What veggies do you think are in? What vegetable do you think are in this dish?
Okay. Vegetables do you think are in this dish, Aarohi?
Yes, something pepper and
Pepper,
some
good.
chili and garlic and some rice.
Okay, good.
It means old clothes. It has beans, onion, and bell peppers.
Good. So this word is beef.
This is beef.
Beef, good.
Beef, yes. Beef,
Okay,
onion, and bell peppers.
excellent.
The table is made of glass. Okay.
Good.
The box made of wool. The wardrobe made of wood. And I am tell almost the socks. Again I tell. Okay.
Good. Did you say the socks? Didn't you say the socks are made from wool? Did you say that?
Yeah.
Yes, good. So I'm circling the ones that you say, okay?
The money made of paper and the basket made of plastic.
So they're Lego bricks. They're Lego bricks. Do you like Lego, Aarohi?
Yeah.
Ah, very good. So do you build a lot of things with your Lego? Do you have Lego at home?
Yes.
Ah,
Lego.
amazing.
The home Lego.
Ah, lovely. Very nice. Okay, let's go on to the next slide.
Amazing, wonderful. This is for you. What color do you see? I am telling you, okay? One blue, white, one red, white. And I
Good.
with blue and red.
Good.
This is our flag. It has red and blue
Squares.
squares and star.
Good.
And describe that these
Describe
what these are made of. Okay?
good.
Can you make can you make 3 sentences about something things are a picture
Are
example
made of in the okay.
is
So
made
example
example the party is
party sign
of paper.
is made of paper. Okay, very good. So can you find some things in the picture and tell me what they're made of? Okay.
There has wool. There has wool. There has paper to write the bird party like this, like this. This one made of paper.
Good. Yes.
Yes, and the cupcake. There are like it's made. This down one is the paper one. This cupcake down. This one.
Yes, the one that's holding the cupcake. So the case. Very good. Yes.
The cake looks and
And what about the chair? What is the chair made of?
chair made of wood.
Wood. Very good. And the
And the sweater made of wood.
so what about here? So the glove. This jug of juice.
Glass on this glass making this glass made of glass.
Yes. Very good, Aarohi. Well done. So we can move to the next slide now. Excellent.
Okay. Here are all the clues. Can you guess where we are?
So can you guess where we are, Aarohi?
This place.
Yes. Okay. So let's see what this place is. Good. Okay, we are in Panama. So Panama's capital city is Panama City. Panama is known as the crossroads of the Americas. Panama uses US dollars as its currency. Do you know anything else about Panama?
About Panama, do you want to visit that wood along
What?
beauty or do there? Yes, I
You
saw.
would like to visit?
Yeah.
Ah,
So
lovely. And what do you think you would like to do there, Aarohi? What would you like to do in Panama? Do you know?
yes, I like to do some playgrounds. So many playgrounds. I need to play that
Oh,
and
lovely.
and go inside some lunch and the bedroom here and there we need to sleep there and I like many places because it's my favorite place.
Oh, that sounds amazing. That sounds like so much fun, Aarohi. Lovely. Okay, well done.
Thank you for your help. See you
See
next
you
time.
next time. Lovely.
You
Okay, now well done, Aarohi. You did an amazing job. Fantastic work, and
The
you got
time is over. The
yes,
time is over.
yes. Our lesson has finished, but we're going to choose a game now because you've completed all of the slides and you did a fantastic job. So well done. So, what game would you like to play? We can play tic-tac-toe. We can play hangman. We can play Simon Says. We can.
I want to play nothing. The time is over.
You don't want to play anything? Okay, that's fine, Aarohi. Well done. Well done for today. Fantastic job, and you got 5 stars. So, Aarohi, what are you going to do for the rest of your day? What are you going to do now?
Now I do some dinner, then go to sleep.
Ah, lovely. And is it night time where you live?
Yes, I live in India. Where you live?
I live in England. So it is not nighttime yet, but it's getting a little bit dark. So it's not nighttime yet. But Aarohi, you have a lovely evening, okay? And I will see you next time. Well done.
Have a night.
Yes, you have a lovely nighttime. Okay, I'll see you next time, Aarohi. Bye.
Bye.